Ethan Blaze Alarms here, and this is System Test 14. I don't have an intro, so let's just continue on. Alright, so after having a weird bug where I couldn't disable the strobes after I had manually activated them in the panel. Come on. They're still flashing. Come on. Anyways, yes, it is finally time for System Test 14. The reason it's taken so long, well, first off, if you remember my Discord server, you probably know already, the schedule system is going to be changing, and I'm not going to be having an actual schedule. So yeah, I'm not going to have like an actual schedule from this point onwards. These are just going to be uploaded whenever they happen. And if you'd like to see those announcements when they come out, do join my Discord server. The link will be in the description. Anyways, so what do we have for this system test? Well, let's start over here with the Notifier NBG-12L. Right next to it, the Notifier NBG-12SL. Right next to it, the Notifier BNG-1. And then over here, I have the Simplex 2099-9756. For the notification appliances, up here, I've got my ESC Genesis horn strobe, but I took the white cover off and put a red cover on from the chime that I had. Over here, I have my system sensor mass ADA, and it is set to its default tone, 800 Hz. And then over here, I have my Wheelock 34T on my Simplex 4901, or 4903, sorry, 9101 strobe plate. So what I have set up in this system is this horn is set to NAC 4. It's wired into NAC 4, whereas the other two horns are on NAC 1. And then these two strobes here are NAC 2, and NAC 3 is not in use. So what that means is this horn can actually be controlled separately from these other two horns. So that's what I've done here. Right now, this horn is on 120 BPM, and these other two are on temporal. So that'll be interesting. Let me grab my keys here, and, well, actually, maybe open the panel first. So yeah, not much has really changed with the panel. So yeah, not much has changed here. These LEDs here are still set to what they were in System Test 13. So yeah, and then the key switch down here is still set up as a fire drill switch. Probably not going to test that today. But anyways, let's head on over here to the Simplex pulsation, and let's give it a push, and let's give it a pull. Alright, so yeah, it definitely sounded like the panel was having trouble coding this a little bit. I don't know if you heard the same thing I heard, but yeah, I don't know. Just didn't sound perfect. Anyways, let's close that out here. We can see door pulsation, zone 7, fire alarm 1 out of 1. And let's make that fire alarm 2 out of 2 when I activate the Notifier NBG-12SL. And there we go. Zone 5, pulsation 2, fire alarm 2 out of 2. Alright, and with that taken care of, let's reset the system. Alright, so now that the system has been reset, I'm going to go in and I'm going to change the signal coding for the alarms, I will be right back. Alright, and with the time and date being updated, system is normal again. So now this has been switched up. So this is now going to do temporal, and these other two are going to be doing 120 BPM. I'm not sure how this one's going to sound because of the delay when it gets powered, but we'll find out. Alright, well, let's activate the other BG-12. Here we go. Alright. Yeah, so that one just does a little chirp over there. Just a small little chirp. Alright, so now system silenced. Let's reset this before I forget. And we will now reset the panel. I'll be right back. You know what? I will do the fire drill switch. I almost just pulled that. You know what? I will do the fire drill switch. I almost just pulled that. Alright, this one should be fun. So now, both of them are on continuous. This will be great. And we're going to be activating it using the fire drill switch. So, here we go. Alright, I would have left that running for a little bit longer, but we have neighbors, so I'm not going to. Anyways, I'm going to let that reset, and then I'm going to put it in Walktest, and we're going to test the smoke detector and the pulsation. So, give me just a moment. Alright, Walktest active. So now, let me actually grab my key and... That's not the right key, is it? Let's actually try a notifier key instead of an FCI key. Alright, here we go. Zone 5. Oh wait, no, that was Zone 6. Alright, and let's just activate it one more time. Just for fun. How about one more time? Yep. Alright, now let's throw my keys down there and grab this little screw. And there we go. So now let's go into the menu and disable Walktest. Alarm. Huh? It's gonna be because of this, isn't it? Right. Can I alright, never mind. Since that deactivated, it shouldn't go into alarm after this. I would hope not. It didn't last time, I don't think. Yeah, alright. Yeah, so we'll just give this a moment for it to actually reset. I wish it was like enabling and disabling alarms where I could just force it to do it anyways, but oh well. Alright, let's close out of that. System normal again. No alarms are going off. That's always a good sign. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Ethan Blaze Alarms as well. Most of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you would consider subscribing, that would be amazing. And thank you very much as well. I will see you in the next system test. Bye, everyone. Bye. Oh, no! What happened here? Why is it broken? Oh.